Hey, I'm Julia, and I'm going to show you how to get set up with C++ and VS Code for the first time on macOS. First, install the C++ extension. Make sure you have a C++ compiler installed like Clang or GCC, and a C++ debugger. Then open VS Code from your project directory. You can edit your project's IntelliSense configuration by clicking on this Mac button in the bottom right corner of the status bar, and then selecting Edit Configurations UI. Here you can choose the compiler that you want to use for IntelliSense for your project. You can also specify the architecture that you're compiling for. This IntelliSense configuration is saved in a cppproperties.json file in a hidden.vs code folder for your project. To build and debug your program, set a breakpoint and then hit F5 or select Run Start Debugging. Select your environment, and this will launch the debugger. Navigate to the debug console view to see your program's output.